Phase 1 is officially over. The 11,800 square feet of concrete is ground down, patched, and open. Today, the canvas gets painted. In this episode, we are mixing the industrial base coats and unleashing a full flake broadcast across two massive automotive service bays. When it comes to commercial coatings, timing is everything. Once the product is mixed, the clock starts ticking. The team moves in unison, pouring ribbons, pulling squeegees, and back-rolling the base coat to create a uniform industrial strength foundation. No air pockets, no thin spots. Then it comes to the heavy lifting, the full broadcast. We aren't sprinkling this lightly. We throw it to rejection, completely saturating the wet base coat with thousands of pounds of custom flake. This doesn't just look incredible, it gives the dealership service bays their intense durability, impact resistance, and virtual anti-slip texture. Both massive spaces are completely under flake. The foundation is locked in, but we aren't done yet. In the final episode, we reclaim the excess flake, sand it down, and seal the entire 11,800 square feet with a high-gloss chemical-resistant top coat. If your facility needs a premium upgrade built to handle the heavy work, visit National Concrete Polishing online. Hit that subscribe button, and we will see you for the grand reveal in episode 3.